कक्षापञ्चमी विषयः संस्कृतम्। संस्कृतस्य पुस्तकं सुरभि। Dear students, today we shall have to discuss the fifth chapter of Sanskrit Surabhi. पंचमः पाठः। अस्माकं प्रियमित्राणि पक्षिणः, birds, our dear friends. So dear students, there are many birds and animals around us. Some of them live with us in the villages, in jungles, and in our houses. Some of them are wild, some are domestic, some are pet. And in a previous lesson, we have read about our dear friends. Those are some animals, and today some birds we shall have to discuss about. And birds, because they live around us, with us, and we get ourselves entertained by looking them, by taking care of them. They are our friends. So a few students of your class 5, they looking at a map that is hung on a wall. Containing pictures of a few birds talk to one another. So let us keenly observe their conversation. What who is saying or asking. So let us start their conversation. First of all, Roma asks, Roma,
राजीव अस्मिन् चित्रे त्वं किं पश्यसि?
Roma asks, Rajiv, अस्मिन् चित्रे त्वं किं पश्यसि? What do you look at in this picture? Rajiv replies, Rame, चित्रे तु अनेके खगाः सन्ति. There are many birds in the picture. Now, Uma overrides and asks about the birds. Uma,
किं त्वं एतासां नामानि जानासि?
किम त्वम एतेषां नामानि जानासि? क्या तुम इनका नाम जानते हो? Do you know the names of these birds? Then Then Umesh says, Umeshah am atra मयूरः बकः कुक्कुरः च सन्ति. Not kukkurah but kukkutah. Umesh says, yes, there are peacock, crane and kukkutah. Kukkutah means cock. So these birds are there in this picture. Then Roma continues asking, Roma,
तत्र शुकः काकः उल्लुकः च अपि सन्ति.
yes, तत्र शुकः काकः उल्लुकः च अपि सन्ति. शुकः means parrot, kakah crow and ullukah owl. So there are parrot, crow and owl also in the picture. Then Rajiva says, Rajiva, किम चटका हंसः च न स्तः. क्या चटका अर्थात चिड़िया, गौरैया स्पैरो और हंस स्वान, क्या चिड़िया अर्थात गौरैया और हंस ये दोनों नहीं है. उमा रिप्लाइज, उमा,
आम
यस
चित्रे चटका हंस च स्तः.
yes, there are sparrow and swan also in the picture. And then Uma continues,
अत्र तु कपोतः पिकः च अपि स्तः.
अत्र तु कपोतः पिकः च अपि स्तः. Here are also kapotah kabutar dog pigeon and pikah cuckoo are also there. So once again, चित्रे चटका हंसः च स्तः. अत्र तु कपोतः पिकः च अपि स्तः. स्तः, the dual number of अस्ति. अस्ति है, स्त हैं. This is used for dual number only. And then santi हैं, plural number. So now Umesha says, Umesha, अधुना वद मयूरः किं करोति. Now tell, मयूरः किं करोति. What is the peacock doing? Rajiva replies, मयूरः नृत्यति. The peacock is dancing. Then Rama asks, Rama,
बकः कुत्र तिष्ठति.
बकः कुत्र तिष्ठति. Where is the crane sitting? Uma replies to the question of Rama, Uma.
बकः तु जले तिष्ठति.
Okay. बकः तु जले तिष्ठति. The crane is sitting or standing as shown in the picture in the water. So now Umesha says, Umesha asks, अन्ये खगाः कुत्र तिष्ठन्ति. Where are the other birds? Rama replies, Rama,
अन्ये खगाः तु वृक्षस्य शाखासु तिष्ठन्ति.
अन्ये खगाः तु वृक्षस्य शाखासु तिष्ठन्ति. Other birds are sitting on the branches of the tree. The other birds as It is shown are sitting on the branches of the tree. So there was another chapter on uh, uh, some birds and animals, those who live in forest or villages, and some aquatic animals also. So here in this chapter we studied about a few birds. They live around us. They are our friends. Many times we are very much happy and pleased to look them. We are entertained ourselves by looking at them, by taking care of a few of them like parrot, pigeon, etc. So dear students, this is all about the chapter Pakshinah Asmakam Priyamitrani, our dear friends, those are birds. And now there is a shloka, a verse on this page. It is our duty to recite the poem together. Militva gayantu, avagachantu, acharantu cha. So let us recite the poem together and then understand and then acharantu, implement this poem, implement whatever has been advised in this poem, in this verse, in our daily life. So let us recite it first. न कश्चित् कस्यचित् मित्रं न कश्चित् कस्यचित् रिपुः व्यवहारेण जायन्ते मित्राणि रिपवस्तथा. Once again, न कश्चित् कस्यचित् मित्रं न कश्चित् कस्यचित् रिपुः व्यवहारेण जायन्ते मित्राणि रिपवस्तथा. अर्थात संसारे अपि जनः अकारणम् एव कस्यचित् मित्रम् अथवा शत्रुः न भवति. संसार में कोई भी जनः अर्थात मनुष्य, इंसान, किसी का भी या तो शत्रु या तो मित्र बिना कारण नहीं होता है, बल्कि जनानां व्यवहारेण एव तेषां मित्राणि शत्रवः च भवन्ति. Our behavior creates our enemies and friends. As we behave with others, as we deal with others, we can get the people as our enemies or our friends. अतः this is why वयं सर्वैः सह विनम्रतायाः एव व्यवहारं कुर्याम. We should behave politely. विनम्रतायाः व्यवहारं. We should behave politely, humbly with others. Our dealing, our behavior should be polite, should be soft and sweet, because Kursi is the 75% of ornaments. So, dear students, This much is for today's discussion. Thank you. धन्यवादाः. पुनर्मिलामः.